It's more than one series of sirens.
Right. One very close and one further
Yeah.
away.
Well, we're as ready as we're ever going to be.
Well, it's good water. That's all I gotta say. What kind of water I like.
They are predicting possible tornadoes at 5 p.m.
Right. And you're saying that.
I'm narrating.
Yes,
In case that's all that's left of us, the memory. when we used to be alive.
Oh, great, Travis.
Now, if you wanted, we could get ready to get in the car. You know, I figure
No.
I've often seen everything scraped off of the house,
Yeah,
off of the
wait.
pad.
Let's wait.
Yeah, let's wait. That was a good time to home in on our tree. The oak tree is making with all the buds.
We got the pine tree making with all the pines. And then we've got our, what is that thing anyway? I forget.
What?
That massive tree.
That is a bald cypress. Another bald cypress, another bald cypress. Okay, bye for now.